Hello everyone, João Dias, real estate consultant in center of Portugal, and today I'm in Vidigal. Vidigal is a very small village. The true, I think, live one family only at the moment here. It's near Vilar Barroco, straight. Okay, for have an idea, stay at 13 kilometers to Castelo Branco and 60 kilometers to Coimbra, the principal city in center of Portugal. Okay, and I have a ruin with garden near the river for present you today. Hope you like it. Okay, that small houses you see, it's the Vidigal area. Okay, it's very small local, not a village. Actually, you have people coming to live here start today, and because he buy recently the house. Okay, for have an idea, all that part when I stay it's a public access, but of course more down the access is not the same. All that it's public, okay, that they're old, but it's old and nobody using. All around it's ruins, and a lot of years only the bull cars and the horses and that using that access. That the motive is stay at the land, don't have cement or something. That is one ruin, another, and I have or present you today that ruin here. Okay, it broke it. The true it's 8 years ago, more or less. You have a fires all around, and if that houses it fire, if you see it's possible, you understand that. It's the last house in the village, more south. All that terrace stay included, okay, and there you have the river. That river, maybe August or September, is dry, but you have water and all the time in the other months. Okay, the roof broke it, and that part of the structure happened the same. All the rocks stay around, of course, and they need works for rebuilding. It's a house for living, okay. It's possible to do minimal 2 floors, and there is a urban artisan license for living. And all that you see there, that big bushes, the guys stay here for clean, but they don't finish the work. And that part of clean area, it's the area stay inside the property. You have access for all terrace, okay. If you see here the boundary going directly to the river there. You have different terrace here, I think very beautiful spots. That land, it's very nice for the agriculture, near the river, humidity, nice for vegetables or what you want. The ruin again, that small window stay inside. Okay, that houses you have roof, it's another houses, the neighbor houses. Okay, here you have a pedonal access. Okay, the house stay here and the property coming here, but that part going down and that part too there, it's public, okay, for the access to the river. Okay, the property stay here, that's the part of the house you see, and going that way, that steps, old steps, it's public access when you are using now for access to the river. Of course nobody using that, nobody living here, nobody coming, but the rules, it's the rules that to the top it's public access. The property stay that way, all that part. One terrace more. Okay. I think it's possible to understand the step. 1 meter, 2 meters different here, more or less. The house stay at top. That's the motive. I think you have beautiful views. Very easy to create a different spots. And here it's the river and the water line. Okay, don't have water all year, but almost the months of the year you have it. Maybe 2 or 3 months in top of the summer you don't have it. All that is the boundary. After that you have the river, the old. All that part, the property stay inside. That terrace, another terrace, the last, and the house. All that part here, it's flat. Okay, not so clean. The guy coming work in another local, but he need to change the machine for clean that part. But all that part, it's stay inside. Here, very old, near the water line, you have little vines, all maybe don't die, but not perfect, of course, because nobody using that land 50 or 40 years. Sure about that. Okay. You have 4 olives, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And here you have old bridge. It's possible to see all that old. It's the boundary to the river. Across that part where I stay is another property. Okay, going up the property, the ruins stay there. Coming that way, turn down, and coming the river again. That's it. Hope you like it. You remember, if you have any question about that or another property, please contact me, okay? It's a pleasure. Try to help.